Good morning to you. I know you all might be wondering why I'm smiling like this. There is some serious things that you don't know. Serious things that is going on. As you can see, you're watching the screen. You're seeing this screen record. I record them with manual screen, my manual screen, like my manual full screen, phone screen. So this regular you're seeing them on the screen. I don't know, but I gave you guys to just try this out. Maybe it's why is it my phone or is it generally because this thing is being so mysterious. So I said no matter what I was taking this video, you understand? I will still make this video because say to the devil. So the devil cannot intimidate me. You understand? Cannot intimidate from doing what I want to do. So I will explain this thing in a couple of weeks now. I have to make to share the video to the one like not also follow me take advantage of this, but fortunately it's being so ridiculous like destroys me. So the truth I want to make this video that brought me today online is that I want to share opportunity that you my love take advantage of. So I don't know how this thing have been like stressing me so much for like to do some rate of it. It keeps going like it's just amazing. Like it's just passing my head. I said I just have to share it. No how that you guys should just take this thing and also understand what I'm trying to do. So if any of you think of any about this class, like you've got to sit and you have such a list, just stop it and comment because I really want to know how this thing works. Because it is paying me. Bro, she has already raised money for this week. Let me not be. Never mind. Never mind. So I was this I just feel like again I that's fresh. I do this with my so I'm recording it like recording it with my application. So because I'm doing it directly with my application now, this is not working. So I just come up this side. Just watch. As I just leave the TV. It went. Oh my god. Firstly, this is really putting me straight. It's over show. It's on show. Okay, let me just don't forget that I use my phone for this. Let me just push it through. See, I have said that I said some important things. It just sorted it. Now the end side in this side, I did not even like was about to leave it and that is we should for enough. So let me just jump to this video. So this particular that is giving this is offering huge out of me. So I've made some money from me. I'm even sort of begging of money because this thing is so serious. Seriously, your own opinion on the comment section. So let's just dive into the video. Let me push back so that you can understand what's happening at the beginning of the video. All right, you guys will come. So this is what is offering. So let me point so that I explain big bites. So you see, like they're trying to warn those people that will be put in accountable in a wrong way. Like putting it in a wrong way, not that is that you know it's serious because in this particular boss they used to decline payment and they will tell you that I'm sure the payment that they have declined, that the number of payment that they declined, they will read it out. They are not doing it in straight. But what is baffling me here is that why time I want to direct stream code is not working out. So I was now wondering maybe is it a kind of got some kind of secret something. But let me not think that. So I'm probably thinking maybe it's my own device. So I guess you guys should just when you go to the comment section and this particular bots, take advantage of it. So I guess people will be wondering the environment. So let us continue the video. Things happen. So now if you want to place your account details, I will show you because I do many like I learned something that this particular course shock you. It's not really show. But at last I'm gonna say you can show that account those place those that particular point the most transfer fee. So the thing is paying huge amount of money, but see that like you see me driving me crazy, like my head now just spot. So first of all, you have to input your account number and bank name and your account name. That is to put it the right way. But I will use one and show you. Oh, let us continue. I'm making the video. Put them now. Lock my tube. So now if you scroll, I want to show people the bank people that receive the money that they have already paid. My own after I don't want to bring it back. I should have shown my own. They also drop my own in the community. This thing just like drop or something like this. Okay, yeah. So you see, it's receive paying. This is the way that they do my own like when it's pay. I still receive like this, and people receive huge amount of money from here. So, but for insecurity, so I don't call the amount I received. I don't call the amount I received because of insecurity. So now let me go. Their customer support is also active. The customer support is also active. So um, the next thing I want to let you know is that I don't know. There is something here sharing on social media, but when I not do screen record of your platform, like your buffet, can I shit online? So guys, still is complicated, but I have said this. I have to say this because the offering the amount of money of dollar, but it's so complicated. Like, oh my gosh, I was like, I just this thing is not actually platform, but I'm not thinking far. So I'm thinking far, but I have to think far. It's necessary. So let's continue. So the next is they are showing you the social media where you have to do this thing. So this is the most important part of video. Let me explain it bit by bit. Now, this is some questions that guys will be waiting for to ask me. So now they have fully answered questions. They have said, because me myself, I'm also wondering of these questions. You understand? So thank God today is a wonderful day. I want to make this do, and today is the day that I saw this on their community. You understand? So let me explain. Now, he said, what is minimum and the maximum with Bahama? Now, answer. Minimum is 20k. Time for one friend, if you invite one, you have 20. And each minute, excuse me, sorry, he gets 1,000 naira. 1 minute, 1,000 naira. 1 minute, 1,000 naira. So I'll take you there. Just stay with me to the end of this video. Skip any part because this is the funniest part of this video. If you skip any part, that this thing is just driving you crazy. You might miss some interesting part of the video. So just stay there. The second question. Okay, I'm done. Minimum withdrawal is 20k and maximum is 1M. You know what is 1M. So now the second question is the second question. Okay, number 2. The I need to refer people every week before I withdraw. That is the particular question I am thinking about. That is the question I've been running my mind. Like, if I withdraw this week and another week, I have to invite people again to withdraw another week. So I was now like, this is set of stress, not a lot because the money is going. So when I saw my account, I'm like, does this really exist? So you get to check it out. So eventually you did and receive yours. So please come back to the door and say thank you for sharing this opportunity. Why? Don't forget to do the screen record. That's where it's me clearly. So let me whether it's from my device. You understand? Now the second question is that you said the answer is no. Once you refer five people, you can okay. Sorry. Once you refer five people, you can withdraw every forever. Like, you don't need to tell friends again. You just refer five people. All you need to do is just withdrawing. Right? Like it. Mm. The third question. Sorry, I'm being serious, but it is funny. It's funny, seriously. So I have to take it back, break it into you guys. So the third question is: can I withdraw to other banks? To okay, I withdraw to other bank. Like question, that's true. It's like two like questions. You understand? So okay, so only to pay. The answer is that yes, you can withdraw to any Nigerian bank of your choice, not only pay. So let me break down. For those my few family that is watching me all over this platform is mainly meant for Nigerians. Yeah, it's mainly for Nigerians, and it's not for other countries. But if you want to partake on this, let me get a little secret. But that secret will see to the end of this video. So don't forget, watch the end of this video and you get the secret. How being you from sorry wherever you're from any country that you're from, you can take advantage of this. At least $1 million Naira and dollars will be 310 or $400. So it have good rate like value. So you see this question last but the list because I think the list so is the name of the registered company. The analysis is registered and supported sponsored by CBN, OPay, Pampe, and Money Point and Money to empower Nigerians. Help. It sounds good, but why are they not allowing you to do this record directly to show people how to make it from this? So let's just jump into the main video. Now let me show you the main bot. Now see, now I start scrolling and see I have many opportunities I want to share with you online. So but first I have to do this video because this is a video I want to do, but I said no, I'm supposed to do this video. This is the particular now. See, they have good. That's what I showed you people earlier this so that it will show anything. And I had a lot of that explaining how I can my thing, how you my parties, everything. It did show. Oh, watch. It's not showing anything. Let me know your time. Let me know your time. It's not showing anything. Okay. Yeah. Just keep that. Okay. Now what's it from? Okay. Let me see where that I something. Just want to see if I can get past it. I there's something I'm looking for. I something I'm looking for. I want to see whether it shows my step my the way I said it. But no, if I like to scroll it, it goes that. And okay, let me talk about it. So that is the only place it showed. It's not my fault. Can you anybody that have good video of it to do it to so share it on social media? You understand? So that people understand it as well. Because myself, my phone is not working. I don't know. So like I guess the next one you are trying to explain when they withdraw, and I think it's the rightful time for you to draw. Okay, yet withdrawals on from 12 a.m. in on Sunday. I'm sorry, Saturday till 10 p.m. on Sunday. That is closing. So that is the main thing to know. Let me play the video back. Well, it is sorry because I don't like playing video this. So I want to show you another particular pot. This one is Pepe. Just I've been drawing I've drawing about one not something like 10 million. Ah, I'm not like I draw 10 million Pepe coin from here. So let's show you. I'm not show you the first, but this one is the last withdraw I make. Then it's 500 Pepe coin. So the one is also so I'm making a video about this what would I call it? Solana. Yeah, I can video about this Solana. So if you watch this, do this video about Solana. Then I will drop the link. You see a video pop out the right side of my screen or the down side there or up or down. Understand? You click on that video, the video about this Solana. You understand? That video time I to do have some charges with YouTube. So that's why the video was not that cool. Understand? Was not that cool. So you guys are welcome to this channel. This is my channel. Do it to subscribe to this channel. It will really help me. Or do it subscribe. You understand? We make free money from this particular channel, and I'm not offering any scam or anything that will take money away from you. You understand? So do it to watch this video to the end, and do it to join my WhatsApp. This way I'm dropping updates. Please, I do drop it. So I promised you guys of sharing something with you guys. I promise you guys sharing something with you guys. This is my WhatsApp channel where I drop how to make money online. So this is Chris MK who offers. So if you can use the WhatsApp link or the WhatsApp channel link, maybe you should probably search for it on your WhatsApp menu. So if you know where to search for it, do it to ask me on the comment section. I would like first of all to website and subscribe to the channel. So now let me do the secret that I promised to drop at the end of this video. Now the secret is that if you are a foreigner or China, US, Australia, Canada, Japan, wherever you are from, UK, Indonesia, many countries. So if you don't use Naira in your country, now I would advise you to download an app. Let me download any app that accepts Naira currency and you can change it to dollar. So by making use of the app, you can get advantage of this. So that when you have 5 friends, you can withdraw and send it to that particular you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you want me to make a tutorial, just drop it in the comment section and give you a like. Give this video a like and give it a thumbs up. You understand? And turn off the notification bell for you to notify each time I drop a video. So please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and it also help me as a new YouTuber. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is very end. See you tomorrow to see you.